Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin with action. Rinse 1 cup basmati until the water runs clear, then soak for 20 to 30 minutes to reduce cooking time and excess starch. Meanwhile, heat 2 tablespoons oil, toast 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, then sauté a chopped onion until golden. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste to build flavor. Once the aromatics are ready, drain rice and set aside. This small sequence gives texture control and a fragrant base for the Matar Rice. Now you continue by adding about 3/4 cup peas to the onion mixture. If frozen, no thawing needed. Stir in the drained rice, followed by 1½ cups water, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1/2 teaspoon turmeric for color and mild earthiness. Bring everything to a rolling boil so steam distributes evenly, then reduce heat, cover tightly, and simmer on low for 12 to 15 minutes. This controlled simmer steams grains uniformly, and to finish, turn off the heat and let the pot rest covered for 8 to 10 minutes so trapped steam completes cooking and firms the grains. Then, fluff gently with a fork and finish with a squeeze of lemon and chopped cilantro for brightness. If you encounter soggy rice, quickly remove the lid and cook uncovered on the lowest heat for 3 to 4 minutes to evaporate excess moisture. Alternatively, spread on a tray to cool briefly. This restores texture without overcooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.